In this video, I'll give you a few solutions in case your brother laser printer is not connecting to your internet network. So let's start with the easiest of these solutions first. So the first thing is to disconnect it from the power outlet. Once you disconnect the printer, you should do the same thing with your Wi-Fi router. Disconnect it from the power and then wait 5 minutes. After 5 minutes has passed, you can go ahead and connect these two devices. Wait about 5 minutes until your Wi-Fi router connects back to the internet and is able to transmit its signal. Then turn on your brother printer and try connecting again. There's a good chance that this very simple solution will work and will fix your Wi-Fi issues. Now, if this didn't work, don't worry. Let's go to solution number 2, which is to reset the Wi-Fi settings of your brother printer. We're gonna press this back button once. You're gonna see general setup over here. With these arrows, you're gonna press them a few times until you see on the screen printer. Then press the OK button. I'm gonna press these arrows again to shuffle through these settings until you see reset printer. Then press OK. And now all it's left to do is to press the down arrow once. Wait a few seconds, it will say default settings, and this is it. Your printer has been resetted. After doing these steps, it's time to reconnect your brother printer to the Wi-Fi network, and here is how you should do it. So first, make sure that your printer is turned on, and from here you're going to press once on the back button, and then use the arrows here to navigate through the menu. Check the screen there until you select network. Once you're under network, press OK. Then I'm going to use the arrows again to navigate until you are over here, WLAN Wi-Fi. Press OK. Then with these arrows, navigate until you see on the screen WPS push button. Press OK. And then you have to press once on the up arrow. And now you're going to see setting WLAN. Now it's time to go on the back or the front of your internet Wi-Fi router and find the WPS button. Press on it. Some router may require you to keep it pressed during 2 or 3 seconds, and this will send the message to the printer to pair it. After a few seconds, you should see over here something happening, and at the end, you're going to get the connected message on the screen telling you everything is perfect and your printer is now connected to your Wi-Fi network. Now, if this method didn't work for you, maybe your router does not have such a button, or maybe it simply didn't work. Well, I'll show you how to do it, and you'll need to enter manually the password of your Wi-Fi network. So you're going to press the back button again. We need to go back in the same menu, so press these buttons until you see network, then press OK. Then with these arrows, navigate until you select the same thing, WLAN Wi-Fi. And then you're going to see find network. Press OK. You may have set up wizard or something else on your brother printer if you do not see the find network. Press OK. It will say searching SSID. Wait just a few seconds. And now you're going to have all the Wi-Fi networks being displayed on the screen. You can shuffle through them with these arrows. Like this. These are all the Wi-Fi network around me. And just by doing this, I should find mine. Here we go. This is my Wi-Fi network. Once you're over it, press OK. And now you're going to see network key. Now it's time to type the password. This printer does not have any keyboard. It will be a hassle, but hey, we need to do it using only these up and down arrows. So go ahead and type it by going through all the characters using these buttons. Then once you're done typing your password, you're going to press OK. It will say apply settings, press press yes by clicking on the down arrow here. And it will say over here connecting WLAN. Just wait a few seconds and you'll get the connected message here telling you that the printer is now connected to your Wi-Fi network. And to make sure, look at the light over here. If the light stops blinking like the way it was before, it simply means that it's now connected to your Wi-Fi. Press OK and you're done. You can leave this menu, leave your printer, because everything is now connected. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe. If you want to support my channel, check the Amazon affiliate links down below. If you want to get a ink cartridge, maybe some paper for your broader printer, and I'll see you in the next video.